Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. So it's nice to see two of you in one frame. So first you please introduce yourself. I want to know about you too.
So I'm very thankful to you as you have given me an opportunity to introduce ourselves. First of all, I would like to tell you that my name is Muwaj bin Masood, and with me my sister Maliha bin Masood. We are siblings and twins baby. We are from Dinajpur district, Bangladesh. We study same class, class 7.
Okay.
Our parents are very educated person. My father is a college teacher and my mother is a government primary school teacher. I think that's all about us.
Oh, lovely. So I think now
Introduce
your
yourself.
sister should also introduce herself.
Definitely, I will introduce myself. Thank you very much, ma'am, for giving me opportunity to say about myself. This is Maliha bin Masud, and I study in class 7 at this time. And my father is a professor, as well as my mother is a government primary school. As you can see, beside me, my brother, and we are twins. As well, we are siblings. And this is it. And please introduce yourself.
Okay. Have you ever visited my channel?
Yes, we have visited your channel.
Okay. Can you tell me my channel's name?
Uh, grammar, we sorry, I forgot it.
Okay. So let me introduce myself. All right. I am
Okay.
Manju Mishra, connecting to you from India, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow. All right.
All
All
right.
right.
Have you ever heard Lucknow? About Lucknow? Do you know?
No.
We have
You don't
no,
know.
no.
You know about India?
Yes,
Yes,
we know.
you know.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm connecting with you from India. You understand this much? Lucknow, I said, because Lucknow is a big city and it is the capital city of Uttar Pradesh. All right.
All right.
And in short, if you talk about my profession, so yes, I have been a teacher for past 32 years. Okay. Since 1990, I have been teaching formally in a school. Okay. And now I'm retired. So in front of you, a retired teacher is sitting. All right. So
Correct.
that's all about me in short. And after my retirement, actually, I started my YouTube channel to make myself busy. All right.
All right.
Yes. Okay. So you are happy with my introduction?
Yes, we are so
Yes.
happy.
We are so happy to meet with you.
I'm also very happy because I never ever had had conversation with two people together. So this is first time that, and then too, both of you are kids for me. Yes, you are
Yes.
studying in class seventh, both of you,
Yes.
and you have started your YouTube channel also, as you said.
Yes,
Okay.
we have started our channel 4 months ago.
Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely. So, how do you get time to do something for your channel?
Yes, as a student, we have in lots of time to do work for my YouTube channel. I think to learn English, it is helping me very much. I just make video just for practicing purpose, and nowadays I'm trying to make conversational video like this with someone else. So I think if I do it, it will be very good beside my study. So
Okay,
I take enough time to do this work.
okay. Once before I go ahead, I want to know both of your names once again because I should not make mistake while calling your name. Can you once again tell me your name?
And
Muaz bin Masood. My name is Muaz bin Masood.
Can I call you Masood?
No,
Is it
Muaz.
Muaz?
Yes,
Muaz? Is it correct?
yes.
Or I'm pronouncing it wrong?
Right, right. You are right.
Okay. And what's your name, baby? Please you tell
Malik.
me. Maliha.
Yes.
Yes.
Maliha. 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 Okay. So now the conversation will become easy. I can call you by name. All right. So Maliha, you tell me, both of you study in class 7th. Are you in the same school and same section?
Yes, we are same school and same class as well. We are same section.
Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. So, do you enjoy being in same section, or at times you find it difficult that my brother is here, if anything wrong happens, or vice versa, maybe you thinking that my sister is there, so anything happening in the class, maybe they will tell, or your parents will come to know?
No, no, we don't think like this. We enjoy this valuable time very much.
Because we can speak in English our class together, and it's very lucky to us.
Okay, okay, fine. That's good because it's very rare that two brother sisters or two brothers having this kind of bonding that they don't fight. I don't know what is the reality that your parents must be knowing. All right, go ahead with your questions. Whatever questions you have for me, please ask.
Okay, when have you started to learn English, ma'am?
I started learning English in my childhood itself.
Oh, childhood. Okay. So when have you started your YouTube channel?
That I started, as I told you, once I got retired from my job. So I felt a little bored and I thought of doing something, and it wasn't very easy to do anything and everything for me. I was a teacher, so I thought I can teach something online. That's the reason I started my channel in the year 2022.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak Hindi, English, little bit Urdu, and Bhojpuri. Four languages.
Oh, four
And which
language.
language your mother language?
Hindi. Hindi
Hindi.
is my mother tongue.
So which school was you teaching? Working.
The school was in Lucknow itself. I don't know whether I should take the name of a school or not, because sometimes taking someone's name is copyright kind of thing. So I don't want to mention the school's name, but the school was a convent school and it was very reputed school.
Okay,
Okay.
so I can guess that you have a lot of experience about English. That I have heard that you are learning English since your childhood. So please give us some suggestions so that we can improve our spoken English day by day, more and more.
You already have started your journey. I don't have to suggest much, because as I told you that you asked me that when did you start learning English? So yeah, you also started from lower KG, I suppose, isn't it? From the very first class when you went, only three subjects are included, that is Hindi, English, and maths. In the same way, I too started learning Hindi, English, and maths in my childhood. You are asking probably that when did you start your journey of learning speaking or maybe communication skills? Yeah. So for
Yes.
you must be studying in in a convent school or maybe an English medium school. Do you
No,
know?
we don't study at a government school or English school.
That means we are studying a private school.
So that must be English medium, or that is different medium.
That is normal.
Normal
Private.
means which language is used to explain the subjects.
Bangla, our mother language.
Okay, so all right, okay.
So we are
So
learning English from our home.
all right, okay, that's fantastic. So you are learning from your native language to English. Yes, yeah. But you are speaking quite well, and I think you have learned. So you just have to continue doing it. Continuously speak. Any
Yes,
language can be
that's right.
spoken by speaking. Any language can be spoken by speaking. Do you know Urdu?
Yes, we know Urdu.
But we
Alif
can't.
bete se jim he khe dal jal reje swat jo tojo and gan fe kaf lam. These are the
Yeah,
alphabets. These are the alphabets.
yes.
Yes. So see, I also know Urdu.
Can't understand this language.
You can't understand this.
Yes.
Okay. So Maliha is saying she can't understand Urdu. And was, can you understand Urdu?
A little bit.
Okay. It means you are not learning Urdu.
No.
Okay. From Bangla to English. That's
Yes.
how. Okay. Okay. Fine. So you wanted to know that what can you do in order to enhance your speaking skills? Yes.
Yes.
So the very first thing is listen whenever you have time. I won't say that you listen all the time because you both are students. So you have to go to your school, you have to do your classwork, your homework, and then a little bit physical activity is very important. So I won't say that day and night you keep on watching something and keep on listening something. But whenever you get time, listen something. Okay, that is in English. All right. So
Right.
listening brings a kind of no clarity in terms of pronunciation. Okay, because when you are speaking, somewhere I can understand that Bengali accent is influencing your English. So listen. All right. And after listening, whatever you understand, try to speak in daily routine. Try to speak. You have both of you can even practice at home also. Just decide, fix 1 hour that in whole day at least 1 hour will speak only and only in English. All right, and take any topic, no matter what topic it is. Simply take this pen and speak about this pen for 10 minutes, 15 minutes, a few sentences you speak. Let your sister add few sentences and see how long you can talk about a pen. All right. So that's how, if you take any topic and try to speak, may it be alone or with your sister and brother, you can improve your English. And then every day, whatever you read, maybe your subject, any subject, English, Hindi, physics, chemistry, biology, write down at least 5 to 10 words which are new for you and write their meanings, understand those words so that while speaking, you can use those words. Okay.
Hindi is not our subject.
Hindi is not your subject because Bengali is your subject.
Yes.
So Hindi you may not be understanding too.
Yes, we can understand Hindi a little bit.
How do you understand then if nobody speaks at home?
No, just I have learned it through listening from cartoon.
Okay. So if I ask you what is your name, how can you reply in Hindi?
मेरी नाम है मुआज बिन मसूद. Right?
Very good. Very good. मेरा नाम मुआज Deen Wasood hai. Okay, like this. Correct, correct. Okay. So many languages you are learning at this age. Great, great. Okay, anything more you have to ask? Please go ahead with your questions.
Okay, so how many members are there in your family? Please tell us.
Oh, oh, good question. I have a family of 4, my husband, me, and my 2 children. As I
Children.
told you that I am a retired lady sitting in front of you, an old lady sitting in front of you. So my children are grown up. They are doing their jobs in their job places. Okay,
Okay,
Okay.
understood?
Yes,
understood.
understood.
So, do you have any question about us?
Yes, I actually am surprised that you are in class 7th and you are studying and you have started your YouTube channel. So I want to know that what actually motivated you to create your channel and who helps you in doing all these things like shooting video. It's okay if you are uploading conversation videos, maybe you can connect with different people and you can upload that video. But who gave you this idea?
Idea actually, have you heard the child name Orna?
Arna,
Yes, yes.
one who speaks in British accent.
Yes, yes, right. Once time she sent us mail, and in that time I trying more and more to create a account, Skype account. Finally, I create it, and then I talk to her, and through it, people are connecting with me, and I'm also trying to connect with people.
Different people you are connecting. It means Arna gave you the inspiration of opening your YouTube channel and creating this conversation video. Is
No,
it that?
just creating this conversation.
Okay.
We have created our YouTube channel a long time ago.
That's what I was asking, that who motivated you to create your YouTube channel, and when did you create it? When did you create your YouTube channel?
I think our my father advised us, told us to create a YouTube channel and to learn English. But first video I have uploaded just for making fun. That can I do it?
Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely. So, making fun, doing fun, you started this journey and now you are enjoying. Yes?
We are
Yes?
enjoying a lot.
Yeah. Now, next question was is going to ask, because you are only asking question, you are only giving answer. Yes, Muaz, any question do you have? Sorry, not Muaz, Maliha, Maliha. Sorry, Maliha.
I'm so excited to ask you that one question that it will be very fantastic to you all. How many seasons are there in your country?
How many
Seasons.
citizen?
No, no, no. How many seasons?
Seasons. Okay. How many seasons do we have in our country? Means India has how many seasons? You mean to ask this? We
Yes.
Yes,
have
yes.
especially three seasons. Okay.
What
Especially
are they?
three seasons.
You
Summer,
can.
winter, and rainy season. Summer, winter, and
I got
rainy
it.
season. Three
How are
seasons.
six?
Six. Which one? Please tell me.
Summer, winter, autumn, late autumn, and spring, and other. I don't know exactly.
Spring and autumn, actually it comes in between. Yeah, it comes in between winter and summer, and that is we too have. That we too have. But main three seasons we have: summer, winter, and rainy season. Yes.
And which
Yes.
season do you like most?
I like the most this winter season.
Why?
And second best season is rainy season. Yes. I don't like summer season
Why? Please
because
share.
it's too hot. It's too hot. Without AC, without cooler, without fan, we can't survive. And at times when light goes, there is no electricity, we find it very difficult. And being a teacher, I used to remain in the school when 50 children sitting in the classroom, they are sweating like anything and it is too hot. So I used to feel very bad about it because our school never had AC in classrooms. Okay.
Excuse
Understood?
me. I don't like this season. I like
I
spring
like,
because in this is season in my country we don't feel so much cold. We don't feel so much hot. This is why I like it very much.
but I like winter
Very
because
good. Very good.
because
Everybody has freedom of a speech, so you can say what you feel like. Yes, so you can like anything. Some people like even summer also because they can do anything very comfortably. Those who have to work in the field, they are all the time working under the sun. Okay, then they will like it. Like if it is too cold, then it becomes very difficult for them to manage. Yes.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
ma'am, we have talked enough time, almost 20 minutes. So I think we should finish this conversation right now.
Yeah, okay. Thank you so much. And I would also like to wrap up this session here. We had a lovely conversation, and probably we are going to connect again right now for my channel. Are you ready?
Yes, thank and
and we're
one
so
minute.
thankful to you.
We are so thankful to you as you have taken our simple request and giving us your valuable time.
Oh, yes. Why not? It's my prime duty to do it, actually.
Okay, goodbye.
Okay. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.